Detective! Drop everything! We've got a crisis in the Incan exhibit. A cheeky villain has vanished with the ceremonial Tumi knife.
You pack up your detective gear, toss it into your car, and assure Rickety you'll be there.
I'm so relieved you're here, Detective. Someone tampered with our security camera, then smashed the glass display case and stole the Ancient Incan Tumi ceremonial knife. Can you help us figure out who's behind this? Did you know the ancient Inca people had a very special tool called a Tumi knife? Let me show you what it is and why it was so important. This is a Tumi knife. It's not just any knife. It's shaped like a half moon and made of shiny metal, like gold or bronze. Isn't it cool? The Inca people used the Tumi in special ceremonies to honor their gods. It was like a magical tool to bring good luck and keep everyone safe. Here's a fun fact. The Tumi is so special, it's now a symbol of Peru, where the Inca lived. It's like a treasure from history.
A hidden portal suddenly opens, and in the blink of an eye, you're whisked away to the vibrant world of the ancient Incas. You quickly move backwards in time. To solve this mystery, you'll need to read about ancient Incan history.
You have arrived in the world of the ancient Incan civilization. You must read and answer questions correctly to discover clues.
Every question answered correctly will give you a clue to help eliminate suspects from the list. The last suspect remaining is the thief. Good luck, Detective.